In rural India, community health workers or ASHA workers are the only lifeline for millions of villagers. Yet, they are burdened with stacks of paper files, low or no internet connection, and the fear of critical diagnostic errors. To solve their problems, we present Swasthya Guardian, a secure offline clinical assistant built on the innovative language JAC. On the left side of the app screen, you can monitor our background system logs running live. Above the phone display, our language selector supports 6 regional languages. We can instantly switch to Telugu, Hindi, or Bengali. Let's continue with English. Entering the ASHA worker's phone number, the worker receives the verification code and logs in completely offline. All patient records instantly load into a secure, offline database. To protect patient privacy and trust, the system strictly complies with India's Disha 2023 security standards. Selecting Karan Yadav's profile immediately triggers a secure privacy shield. Since Karan chose to keep his health records private, the app blocks access and logs a local safety audit. Returning to the patient list, the worker selects Anjali Devi, who has a pending consent request. To access Anjali's medical history, the worker opens a doorstep consent form. Anjali signs directly on the screen. Tapping Grant securely initializes her profile in the background, loading her complete clinical history in real time. Sakhi instantly transforms past checkups into a clear timeline of her maternal health journey. To examine skin conditions, the worker uses the dermal scan. The on-device computer vision classifier identifies psoriasis instantly. Following standard national health guidelines, Sakhi warns against standard steroid creams, instead recommending safe, natural coconut oil hydration. Next, the worker connects the automated Bluetooth vitals monitor, simulating a high-risk pregnancy emergency by dragging the blood pressure slider to 170. Which triggers a critical red maternal warning, advising the worker to use magnesium sulfate instantly. Tapping the warning instantly sends her live location and vitals, dispatching an ambulance. The worker can also input observations hands-free. By tapping the microphone, she can also speak English, fever, pet kharab, and fatigue, and the smart system transcribes these local English symptoms, and Sakhi will return safe care recommendations. This complete medical support runs entirely offline on affordable, everyday smartphones. Finally, the worker returns to the home screen and launches the outbreak radar. The radar scans the village in real time, detecting a cluster of 5 fever cases in one household. The worker then alerts the local health officer with a single tap. Swasthya Guardian empowers ASHA workers to save lives even when they are offline. Because the heroes of the last mile should never have to save lives alone. We are Swasthya Guardian. Thank you.